How's it Grant here, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be taking a look at a carbon fiber case for the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. So this is made of that Aramid material that you see some of the more popular manufacturers make for a bunch of phones, and this is retailing for about $45 or so on Amazon. You can find them maybe around $30 to $40 depending on where you search. The one I have right now, it's currently priced at about $45. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. But as you can see here, it's pretty much in this unlabeled case here. They all pretty much come in some kind of a case like this, the generic ones anyway. But they're just like the popular name brands, same material, same style case, same quality and everything. They're just more generic resellers selling these. And so this case was kind of tough to come by, and the Galaxy Z Fold 1 came with a case that was like this. And it's unfortunate that Samsung didn't package one with a Z Fold 2. And I really want to keep something thin and minimalistic while just protecting the shiny back. I don't really care for the shiny back. I wish they went for matte frosted or something. But it is what it is, and so I just wanted to put something over it. I didn't really want to go with a skin. I like the shell style case that came on my Fold 1, and so I got a similar style case here to protect my Z Fold 2. So you can see here, it's very super thin, very thin, and but it'll protect you from basic scratches, and that's really what it's for. It's not going to be a drop protection case. It's going to make sure that you don't smudge up your phone, and it gives it a little bit of grip, and you won't scratch the back. So let's go ahead and just put this back part on here. And as you can see, it just snaps right on, and it's actually pretty tight. It's a lot tighter than I thought it was going to be. There are stickers on the inside of this that you can see that you can peel off that'll make it stick a little bit better, but it's so tight on there that I don't feel the need to actually use those stickers. So I didn't want to wear out the adhesive, so I'm not even using it. And like I said, it's very snug, very tight to it that it's not going to come off at all. And you can see there the cutouts at the bottom for the Type-C port. It's more of a dip, so just be aware of that. And then there's a cutout for the microphone port and the other microphone up top here. And then it fits snugly around the camera bump on the back. So you can see it's a little bit raised above it, so it'll protect you a little bit. So it's not going to have your camera module lie directly and come in contact with any surface. So it'll protect you that way. And it's hugging all around that camera module there. So it'll kind of protect it from kind of getting into direct contact with surfaces, as well as all around the module itself. And we can go ahead and put the front piece on here. And a lot of cases don't come with this front piece, and maybe it's not really needed because of how big the front display is. But I do like the look of having a front kind of cover. It kind of completes the overall look of the device. And I think it looks weird without it, because when you're looking at it kind of this way, there's nothing on this side. And to me, it just looks weird. The cutouts for the top speaker are up there, and it fits just fine. And similarly on the bottom. And so this front piece may not fit as snug, but I've been using it without the adhesive, and it hasn't come off at all. I don't feel like I need to use adhesive. The one thing that I will say is that because the display is pretty much full screen on this, that putting this front frame on kind of obstructs the sides. So if you're using the swipe gestures, it makes it a little bit tougher to get to the edges to do those swipe gestures. So it's taken a little bit of practice and a little bit of time for me to get used to it. But as you can see, I've kind of gotten used to it, but it does sometimes take a couple swipes before it kind of activates. So just be aware, swipe gestures from the edges might be a little bit tough just because of how narrow the bezels are, and it can kind of obstruct a little bit on the sides. But with a little bit of practice, you can see here, I've gotten used to it just fine. So other than that, that's pretty much it. It's just a shell style case that's going to protect you from scratches, definitely not any kind of drops. You can see the cutouts on the side for the buttons are a dip, so it's fully exposed there. But otherwise, it's been great. It's been just like the carbon fiber case, that shell case that came with my Galaxy Z Fold 1, which is what I was going for. And it's a quality material. It's just like the more expensive, or just as expensive, name brand cases. It's exact same material, everything. So, and I like this because it's minimal. It doesn't add any bulk to an already bulky phone, and there is no branding on it. So it looks very nice, very clean. I'm liking this carbon fiber look, setting it off with that metallic blue hinge. And this is wireless charge compatible. I know a lot of people ask if cases are wireless charge, and it's so thin that it definitely will be, but here's a wireless charger. I'll go ahead and just drop this on top. And you can see there it's charging up wirelessly. And it does say, if we can zoom in there, fast wireless charging. So it supports Samsung fast wireless charging if you have a fast wireless charger. So there you go. That is the carbon fiber shell case for the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Like I said, links will be in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Any other questions or comments, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.